What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna unbox this, a toy car, remote control toy car. Well, this is quite a bit big, and it says emulation car model, and it's 27 megahertz of this remote control radio frequency, and 1:16 scale car. So at the back here, this is the remote control and the instruction, and remote control needs 2 AA battery and the car needs 4 AA batteries, and this is also made in China, and it cost me 450 INR, and that's it. So let's just open it. There we go. Well, the color is quite a bit good. It's red and black, and the remote control is also same. So let's open it. This is the remote control. This is for left and right. This is for forward and backward. And here is the LED. Nothing else. And this is a car. It's a model car of Bugatti, if you know, the world's costliest car. So this is it, and this is the battery compartment here. One screw will be here. I need to remove that. Alright, there is the 4 batteries. Well, if you buy online, you're not gonna get batteries, but I bought it from local toy stores, so I got these batteries for free. So I'll just put it back in. And I also got 2 batteries for the remote control here. This is the switch for on and off. This side is off and that side is on. Now let's turn it on, and let's see. See the forward and the backward, and this is the right, this is the left. Well, so here the mechanism is like the real one. See, both the wheels tilt like this, to the right, to the left, and you can adjust this mechanism using this pointer here, to the right, to the left, or if you keep it to the middle, so it will stay straight. And when you move it to right, left, right, left, like this, this thing works kind of real car. So okay, now let's just test it once. So that's it, guys. This was fun unboxing this remote control car and play with it. So that's all for today. Hope you're gonna like the video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.